We're reviewing Tekchic, a 32 to 66 inch for your 18 tools to hold and more. It's a harness and tool belt. There's a number of ways you can wear this. Coming out of the box, this is how it's set up. It's made of fabric with orange, gray, and black and breathable material on top. There is very little cushion on here, so this will fit onto your shoulders, and you're simply going to wear it like you wear suspenders and a belt wrap around. You have here is a large buckle clip that expands as big as you want, and it can be pulled in. Wrap and tie this around when finished. You're simply going to come to the other side and clip in. And then you're going to adjust. All the tool pouches lie towards the back. They are adjustable that you can move around. They are to your side, and you have a hammer area. So you can take a hammer, large or small, and place it into the back area to put the hammer by your tail. You have is a drill. The drill goes into the side pouch over here, laying straight up, a small drill. If you have anything made of metal, it has a magnet over here that you hold on the outside. Screws, tools, wrenches, scissors, and more. If you're going to be jumping, it does hold pretty strong. It is a nice strong magnet, strong enough to hold on, located here. We can shake it off and flip it around. There you go. You could put your scissors in the pouch, screws, different areas. You can have regular conventional scissors if they are magnetized and hold on there when you need it and place into different areas of the 18 slots. We have on the other side, you can put your pin nose pliers, and you have also a magnet on the opposite side as well. The pouches are identical in most ways, and you can simply just put your tools in. You have a knife, put your knife in, a pair of cutters, and so forth. I'm just demonstrating with the tools I have with me. I adjust everything accordingly to my liking. If I want to change things around and have it in the front, let's not forget we have a top snap piece. It snaps on so nothing can fall off or slide your hands through. You can adjust the height to your waist level, and there is your pouch tool. If you need to take the pouch and bring it to the front, remove the clips off of the D-hook. Slide forward and replace on the hook. And you have your pouch in the front, like so. You can move the hammer in the front, put the pouch in the front or the side, wherever you want. Tekchic tool belts. 18 pouches for your tool needs. I hope this is something that you are looking for in your tools. It's meant for indoors as well as outdoors, putting on heavy clothing or light clothing. Work all year round with your tool belt. When all done, simply just release the clips, take off the shoulders, and place to the side and hang up. When all finished, just simply lay it down where you have your tools, and off you go for the next time you need to have your tool belt and pouch. Enjoy your product if this is something that you were looking for in a tool belt system.